Baby Echo and I are ready for a warm-up with you. Here we go. A, apple, A. B, B. Remember, we know it's B because the lips together come first. And it's a skyline letter, so the letter B starts in the sky. B, ed, A. I, itch, I. O, octopus, ah. Q, U, qu. W, w. A and K, bank, ank. UNG, lung, ung. And let's do a little trick word race. Here we go. Number, over, what, have, from. Very nice, my friends. I went fast. I wonder if you beat me or tied me. Tie is good. Okay, we're going to do a little story time. If you remember, we read a story called The Pink Dress last week. And today I'm going to put it up in a moment, and I want you to really try to make a movie in your head by closing your eyes and picturing all of the things in the story actually happening. So that you're not focusing on reading the words on this, I really want you focusing on making the pictures. I'm going to read a line or two at a time, and you're going to picture it in your head. Here we go. Mom said, Jess, you have to get a dress at the shop. Let's go, and you can try some of them. Pause, and what are you picturing in your head? Like, I'm picturing a girl named Jess, picturing her mom, and they're gonna kind of get in the car and go to the shop. And then when she goes in, she's gonna try some on. Okay, here's the next part. They went to the shop. Jess held up a red dress. Can I try this one? That dress was just too small. Okay, tell me in your own words, what did you just see in your head? Okay, then Jess held up another one. It was a pink silk dress. What are you picturing? Okay, that is the best dress, said Mom. If it does fit you, I will get that one for you. Pause here. What are you picturing? The pink dress did fit Jess, but it had a small rip in it. What are you picturing? Where are you picturing the rip? What color are you picturing the dress? Did it fit her? Okay, I'm going to keep reading. Mom said, I can fix that rip. I will mend it for you. What are you picturing? What do you think mend means? Jess said, Thank you, Mom. She was so glad to get the pink silk dress. What are you picturing at the end of the story? I'm picturing that she's smiling because she's happy, and maybe she has the dress in a bag and she's walking out the store very excited to have the dress. And when they get home, that Mom's probably going to get a needle and thread to sew that little rip and fix it for her. Okay, so I wanted to tell you that if you were in school today, it would be a test day. You guys made it to the end of the unit and you get to show off everything you've learned and know. It's a very exciting day. But right now, you won't be doing the test. I'm going to tell you what's on the test. Can you believe it? Here's what you're going to need to know. You're going to need to know your green glued sounds. So if you're having trouble, that would be something to practice. You're also going to need to know vowel sounds, digraph sounds, and your vowels. So if there's any sounds that have been hard for you, I suggest you get out your student notebook, open to the sound part, and really practice the ones that are tricky for you. The next thing that will be on the test is 5 words. Words that have blends. They're all going to have a blend. Some will have a digraph blend. One word's going to have a suffix s, and one word's going to have a bonus letter. So you don't need to know how to write all those kinds of words and mark them. Okay? And then the last thing on the test is that you'll write 2 sentences. And in those sentences, here's the trick words you need to know. Could, her, where, the, some. Maybe you'll need over or number. You'll need to know these trick words. Practice them or practice looking them up in your notebook to help you. Okay, so this video was short today because it's time for you to practice the things that you need. Before you go practice that, we're just going to do one reading practice together. Okay, I have a new list of words for you that have blends and bonus letters and glued sounds. I'll read it once. Stay with me. Then pause it and practice reading them yourself. This is a good thing to practice as much as you need, as well as all the spelling. If you have someone at home to help you, you could also have them look at the screen and dictate these words to you for extra practice. Okay, here we go. Stay with me. Best, dress, pink, mend, silk, glad, shop, small, held, Jess, just, rest, rink, sink, think, chunk, locks, webs, pegs, shops. Notice this last row is all base word with suffix s. Okay, so when you do this, you might need to tap the words out. That's okay. You might be able to read them whole. That's okay too. Pause here and practice these, and then afterwards, practice the things on the test that you need. Good luck. Happy reading.